In India, I learned a lot about culture, about business, about recycling, and that is the reason why we decided to be here with a clear plan to be closer and to make business with our customer to learn what are the real needs for the Indian markets better and to fulfill them better.
People talk about sustainability, waste management, and recycling. And as we say, the guru or the teacher of recycling, the whole world is here with me. He's the Group CEO, Mr. Manfred from EREMA Group CEO of EREMA. I know what all things you do since long ago and latest developments we saw during the K exhibition. Still, it is nice for Indian community to know about EREMA Group and the product range. You have so many different products for different industry. Could you please elaborate on this?
Yeah. Thanks for having me here. It's a pleasure to be here. Yes, the EREMA Group consists of different companies like EREMA by itself, like Lindner Wostek, like Plasmax, 3S. So there are different companies. All of them have a portfolio for plastic recycling. And especially with Lindner together and EREMA, we can deliver a full package from input material, baled bottle up to pellet. And I think that's the most important. So we are the solution provider for in-house recycling, post-consumer, PET, textile fiber, and so on.
When did you start EREMA and the journey of EREMA? Could you please tell us?
I'm now 30 years with EREMA. Since 20 years, I'm the CEO. And so together with my team, we built up, I think, a good portfolio and a nice company size. We have 9,000 machines in the market.
9,000 machines in the market?
9,000 machines in the market, which are producing 26 million tons recycled material, which is, by the way, the total plastic consumption as India has, what we are delivering or what our customers are doing.
Also, you have the entire projects like, washing separation and even I saw the bottle to bottle and flexible packaging recycling. Could you elaborate on bottle to bottle and flexible packaging recycling?
Yeah. As I said before, we have different applications for in-house recycling. We have the flexible for BOPP, BioPET in-house plant, our EREMA. For bottle to bottle, we have our VacuRema technology or also our VacuNite technology. For post-consumer polyolefin, we have our EREMA TV Plus, single screw systems, or 𝐏𝐸𝐴 with compounding and twin screw, different kind of filtration. So there's a lot of washing experience, extrusion experience, as well filtration and deodorization knowledge in our company.
What are the challenges you or your customers face during the recycling business?
No, I would say the recycling business is a room of 5 dimensions, and that shows the complexity. The first dimension is the different polymer types. The second, the different application like film, medicine, and so on. The third dimension is how you collect the material. The fourth dimension is for which end application you're going again. And the fifth application or the fifth dimension is the economic. And that shows how difficult it is. And that shows together with our customers, we have developed a lot of technologies and brought recycling all over the world further in new applications.
What message you would like to give to the recyclers and the common public?
I would say we have announced the last 2 days 2 nice things. First of all, we have signed on Thursday an MOU with the EIPMA Institute here, association. That means we will bring in the target to make training courses for the Indian people for recycling with our machine. So we will deliver machine and there will be, let's say, in the EIPMA 70-hour courses for bring a higher level of skilled people and operator, number one. Second message is we have announced yesterday EREMA India is founded. So it's EREMA India is between Lindner and EREMA, a new company, what we will found or what we have found here in EREMA to be closer at the market and stronger to our customer.
So what are the future plans as the new baby in EREMA India? what is your future plans for this?
Now, to be honest, I was in the last 12 months, 4 times in India. I learned a lot about culture, about business, about recycling, and that is the reason why we decided to be here with a clear plan to be closer and to make business with our customer, to learn what are the real needs for the Indian markets better and to fulfill them better. And the 26th anniversary is sure something quite important, which you should celebrate quite strong and important to bring this to the message. And by the way, one sentence more, I think we as a plastic industry, with the power of plastic, green, smart and responsible, as it was on the K show, is driven by our mission, another life of plastic, because we care.
Thank you, Manfred, for joining Modern Plastics TV here at Plast India. And we wish you all the success in the Indian market with the new branding EREMA India, and all the best for your future endeavors.
Thanks, it was a pleasure to be here.